Hey everyone, welcome back to the concert hall. I'm Sunny, and today we're going to continue on with that exercise. I'm going to show you guys how to apply that descending line thing into a song today. We're going to use My Little Suede Shoes. I think we're doing My Little Suede Shoes. I'll tell you when we get to it. And that's the deal. It's pretty easy. It's a lot of fun, and that's what we're doing today. So, all right, now before we do that, gotta tell you guys, my reed's really soft today. I don't know what the deal is. It just doesn't seem that excited to want to make the jazz with me today. So I gotta use my reed clipper here and snip it a little bit. That'll get it excited to play the jazz. Yeah, well, if I knew it was gonna snip. Anyways, I'm trying to make a joke out of it, right? But like seriously. This is my reed clipper. So I play Lavois reeds. Not that it's a big deal. These are a little expensive. So I play Lavois reeds on all my saxophones, and I also play cheap orange box Ricos because like they're cheap, and so I think these are expensive, and so that's what I do. So that's what the deal is. So that's what I do. Both types of reeds, depending on what I'm doing. If I'm teaching a lot, use the Ricos. If I'm gigging a lot, use Lavois. Anyways, this is a reed clipper. I've had this for like a million years. And yeah, I intimidate my reeds, man. So there you go. I guess this should be a video all on its own, how to use a reed clipper, right? But anyways, you just pop it in like that. I guess you could clip it and fiddle around with it. It looks like this. Looks like this. I could probably like do a better job showing you guys, but yeah, well, those who know me know that I always clip my reeds, man. So why not? So why not? Will it grow back if you cut it, too, Sunny? Sure, why not? I look like a whatever, man. Now you love me. Oh yeah, I bet that puts you in the mood, Mr. Reed. All right, whatever. Let me put my sax back together. I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, hey guys, welcome back. Enough goofing around, okay? The water's out here at Casa Sunshine. We're replacing the hot water tank, so you guys have sexy Sunny today teaching you sax. Yeah, whatever. All right, do you guys remember the exercise? We're playing descending line. We're not playing descending line. We're playing into notes. We're playing motion to rest. And today, we're going to put that into a song. And we're going to put it into Charlie Parker's song, My Little Suede Shoes. And it's an easy song. We're just going to play, and we're just going to put it into the A section, because I want to show you how it works. And there's a reason for it, and I'll show it to you in a sec. But the song is like this. So listen up. I'll just tell you the chords. It's 2, 5, 1. Right? Motion to rest. 2, 5, 1. And then the next part, 2, 5, 1. Motion to rest. Then the next 4 bars, it's 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Everybody cool? And it sounds like this. Okay, so and that's that. So here's the melody. One, right? Then the next one. One, right? Now. That's it. That's it. And we're going to jazz that up. But how we're going to jazz it up, we're going to practice. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. You guys are going to love this. Please, please, please stick with this exercise. For all of you guys who studied with me, and anyone take lessons with me, I guess I'm teaching again over Zoom. So feel free to do whatever. All right, so here we go. So stick with it. You know, there's so often we think of music in terms of one play, you know, and we like, oh, what do you play on this chord? What do you play on this? And you're thinking, the lick goes like this, but it doesn't. It really doesn't. And even when you're practicing, you're going to figure out ways to sort of start plotting instead of moving forward. You really will. I do it all the time. Like, anyways. So I'll give you an example. In the next video, not today. Today we're applying to a song, but in the next video, I'll show you the ascending part. So into 2, into 5, into 1. But you could go like up, right? Right? I'll show you that in the next video. But like, it's so easy when you're playing it in the song to instead of playing this part, you might play like this, like, right? Or like, you might, as we're doing the descending thing, you might be cruising along and you'll be like, say, G. So you're like, right? And instead of playing into the G and then into the C, you might start on the G, and then you'll be like, like, it's just not like, anyways, just stick to it, right? Just stick to it. Be very active in your approach to your own education and learning your own voice here. All right, whatever. Lots of la la la, na na na. And I didn't start the stopwatch, so I'm not sure how long this blah 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 is going. Woo! All right, let's get back to it. All right. Oh man, here we go. I'm having one of those weeks, guys. All right, so enough of all that. So here are the chords right here. Now, the first bar, this thing right here, the C, B flat, A, that's a pickup. Because you remember, we're playing into the G, right? So we're playing into this note right here. Oh, wow, the cursor works. Oh, look at that. Am I going to get it in my... Oh, no, I guess not. All right, so into the G, right? And then into the C, and then into the F, right? So that's the 2, 5, 1 right here. And then we're going to repeat it, right? Into the G, into the C, into the F. And then for the final 4 bars, it's into the G, it's into the G, into the C. Then we're going to go down into the A, then down into the D, and then into the G, we're going to complete it. All right, so check it out. So this is my little suede shoes, Charlie Parker. And this is one of the, as we're going to play the line through it right now. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Can you guys hear the music? Do you remember at the very beginning, I said to you guys, you know, practice this exercise and you want to feel it. Well, I like to feel it, whatever. But you're going to start to hear it. And, you know, I gave you the speech about how it feels like you're being held in the music and being supported. When you practice this, you can feel it. And so I'm going to play it again and listen to the song of this motion, right? This is kind of like your voice leading line, sort of, a little bit, sort of. And so like, but you're going to hear the changes in the line we're playing. And we're just playing the scale. Cool, huh? So now I don't really like playing this particular line. Like maybe on my like alto I would, but like that's a little, I'm chilling out these days. So I would drop that C, all the blues down an octave. Oh, I missed one. But you can hear it. You can hear it bop around back and forth. It's really neat. Okay, what else do I have for you guys? So we had that one. Oh, this is the one I just played. Good job, Sonny. So remember, we can put these inversions in. And this one is, so I dropped the blue down an octave. Oh, well, I don't really like playing that part of my sax either. Okay, well, whatever. playing scales now? Oh, yeah, let's do it again. Yeah! Did I write anything else for you guys? Well, fool around with it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, look at this. Is this the same or similar thing? Here we go. Let's check this one out. Oh, yeah. Now, hey, guys. Nothing ascending. No, remember that last video I said goof around on the third a little bit? No goofing around on the third. No licks. No, I haven't played any licks. I haven't played any enclosures. I haven't played any. I didn't even go like this. Woo! I didn't even go like. I didn't go like, yeah. I didn't do any of that. None of that. All I did was, into the G, into the C, into the F. But it's also music, right? So you kind of want to repeat a little bit as well. Or you want to make, because it is a song, that's like 2, 2, 4. You kind of want to hear in your playing a little bit of 2, 2, 4 going on. Or like into and around and alluding, kind of, like whatever. I gotta do that one again. Yeah, woo! Thanks, man. It's just scales. What do you want? Like, I'm just playing scales. No, seriously, man. I'm just playing scales. Woo! Everybody be cool, man. Oh, I love this exercise. Did I write? Okay, check it out. Let's do it again. So I actually, your next class, right? So practice this. The next class, we're going to practice rising into it. So be rising into G in the next class. And then down to C. Yeah. Woo! Okay, whatever. But for this week, down. Woo! That's it, guys. I hope everybody has a super, wait a second, let me get this off the screen. From TheSunnySide.net, I'm Sunny, wishing everyone the best of a super duper beautiful week. And I'll see you guys.